Hello everyone. Today on Binky's Gaming Thoughts, quantum embezzlement communism. What is it? What does it mean in the world of Mass Effect? And does it have a place in the realm of Dragon Age?
I can maintain a presence on the Tempest via quantum entanglement communication.
Let's say, hypothetically, I was out sick the day they taught quantum embezzlement communism.
Let me define quantum embezzlement communism for you. What does that mean? Quantum comes from Latin quantus, which means how great. Oh, Corypheus would have a field day with this. Is Corypheus quantum? Wikipedia states that in physics, it's, quote, the minimum amount of any physical entity involved in an interaction, end quote. Embezzlement is an actual word. It's a form of theft or a misappropriation of funds that are placed in someone's trust, like swindling money from an account or a trust fund, stock market funds, crypto funds. You get the picture. Communism is a political theory that comes from Karl Marx. It advocates war between classes and portends that, quote, all property is publicly owned and each person works and is paid according to their abilities and needs, end quote, states the Google. All right, so I would say that quantum embezzlement communism is formed by a group of Marxists from which their physical entity involves war between classes of thieves in their interactions, where members tend to swindle funds from others by duping those outside their group to entrust their funds to them, by which they fund more class wars. Lots of funding. So they probably have active members working the wars, verbal and physical, and covert members doing the scamming. And I'd say their base is probably located somewhere on Kadara, if we're to situate this in the world of Mass Effect Andromeda. And there we go, quantum embezzlement communism. If we're going to place this in the Milky Way, I'd say maybe Cerberus started it. I don't know. And does it have a place in Thedas? We have the Mage Templar War. So maybe a faction of mages or rogue mages and Templars actually got together. Or maybe it's a group feeding the Mage Templar War. And my shadow looks funny. Let me know what you think. In the world of Mass Effect, either in Andromeda or the Milky Way and in Thedas. Where and who would be the leader, if there would be a leader, for quantum embezzlement communism? And there you have it. Like this video if you like it. Subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. Hit the bell for notifications. You can also follow at binkyproductions.com for all my channels. I post everything there, no matter what the algorithm on YouTube decides to do. You're sure not to miss anything there. And I'll see you all soon. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to check out some of my other stuff. Gaming, drinks, parodies, and some random silly stuff. You can also join in on the fun on Patreon for some exclusive content. Thanks for tuning in.